everybody, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and learning something new every day. So guys, whatever I'm gonna tell you in today's video, after listening this, you will think like that, why I'm just telling like this and why I'm suggesting to you all for doing this. So listen carefully, whatever I'm gonna tell you today. So guys, if you really want to improve your English speaking and you are just trying to speak and you are just speaking for improving, so stop speaking from today. Yes, you heard right. Stop speaking for a moment. Because why I'm just saying like this? Guys, listen properly. You just like what you are just doing, you are trying to improve your speaking and without giving any input. It means input means speaking. There are a lot of ways and there are a lot of types of input, and you are just trying to get output without giving input. Then how it is possible for you and how it is possible for you to improve your speaking? So listen what I'm trying to tell you all. Listen, the first thing is that you'll have to listen more, and then after it means it's a form of input. The first thing is that you'll have to give input, and then after you will get output as a form of speaking, and you'll have to do this for some days and continuously. You should try to listen more. It means you can listen English podcast, English movies, English songs, English whatever you want to listen, you'll have to listen. There are a lot of benefits of listening English. When you will try to listen any speaker, then after you will see how the speaker is just speaking from like in front of thousands of people, and how just like he's speaking at that moment, and how his body expression, how he's just handling in that situation, and everything you will learn. First thing is that you will learn like a pronunciation, sentence structure, basic grammatical rules, how he's just connecting all the sentence, and like that you will feel so confident while listening, and then after you will try to imitate all the thing from that speaker, and you will improve like that. So because of that, whatever I'm just telling to you all, I have faced all the thing, I have implemented in my journey. Because of that, I'm just telling to you all, just start doing like this. Then after you will feel how the way you are just like improving, and the way you are just speaking like that speaker, like that native speaker. And so because of that, just start listening. Just go and on YouTube, and because there are abundance of videos available in English language, and you can easily listen that, and you can easily watch that, whatever you will enjoy while listening, while watching, and just go and just watch that and just listen that properly, and just try to imitate those speakers and those dialogues and whatever he just like speaking in that particular video, in that particular speech. Just go and just try to listen. I'm not just telling to you all, just go and listen. Okay, there is no any benefits if you will just like go there and just like listen. Just suppose that you are just going there and you are not listening and properly, then there is no any benefits of doing this. If you are just going to listen that, then you should try to listen properly, listen actively. It means just try to listen, just go in any quiet place and just start listening that thing, whatever he's just like speaking in that particular video. Okay, so that will be very beneficial for you all when you will start listening very actively. Okay, let's take any example like how it is important for us to listening before going to speak. A baby doesn't speak first, he listens for a month. Then after he's try to speak, and then after some time he will speak, and after some time he speak naturally without hesitating. And in his beginning he will make a lot of mistakes. So like mistakes, doing mistakes, it doesn't matter how much mistakes you are doing in your journey, in your like while learning anything else. Okay, so the most important thing is that how you are consistent for that and how you are doing practice for that. Okay, so it will every step you are taking, it will pay off one day. Okay, so because of that, just go and just try to do those things. And at the end guys, listen, I'll highly recommend you all to go and just start watching and listening English cartoon videos, and just go on YouTube and just search English cartoon videos and just start watching those things. Because in that cartoon videos, they are just using a very simple words and simple sentence and simple vocabularies, so that beginners can understand all the thing from that story, and they can understand all the situations, like whatever they are just speaking on, and whatever they want to whatever they want to tell through that story. And you can easily understand all the thing from that cartoon videos, because I used to watch a lot cartoon videos at the time when I was just trying to learn this language, and when I was just trying to improve my fluency. So because of that, like, it worked for me, and it will definitely work for you all also if you will listen actively those things. And there are a lot of things, then after you will notice that, like, it is very important for me. And then after, you should try to write down those things, whatever they are whatever you are just looking, it is looking very important for me, for my speech. Okay, so you just only need to simply write down those things in your notebook and just start implementing while speaking. So guys, overall what I'm trying to tell you all, just go and just start listening a lot. It means like listening plays a vital role in speaking, and without like listening, just forget that you can speak properly. Because once you will try to listen that, then after you will think, and then after your mind will work on that, like how the native speaker just speaking, and how he just using all the thing while speaking, and how he just connecting all the thing while speaking. Then after, your mind will observe all the thing, then after your mind will process on those things, and you will be able to speak properly. So like this, that's the way you can easily speak, and you can start your speaking and improving your fluency, all the thing. So that's all about that listening. So guys, this is what I just wanted to share with you all. I hope you have understand all the thing whatever I just wanted to share with you all. So guys, this is all for today, and if you have got something valuable from this video, so do like, subscribe and share, and we will meet in another video. So take care, bye bye.